Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how important it is to move your assets securely. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Ethereum from Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet in 2025. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely, whether you're switching wallets for better access or preparing for a big trade. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have both your Ledger Nano X and Trust Wallet set up properly. You'll need Ethereum in your Ledger and Trust Wallet installed on your mobile device. Always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Unlock your Ledger Nano X by entering your PIN on the device. Once you're in, open the Ethereum app on your Ledger. This is your secure gateway to your funds. Step 2. On your phone, open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Ethereum wallet. Here, you'll find your wallet address, tap on it and copy it to your clipboard. This is the destination where your Ethereum will go. Step 3. Back on your Ledger, select the Send option in the Ethereum app. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, so paste the one you copied from Trust Wallet. Double-check for accuracy, crypto addresses are case-sensitive. Step 4. Next, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Be sure to leave some for gas fees, as blockchain transactions require a small fee. Review the details on your Ledger screen and confirm the transaction by approving it on the device itself. Step 5. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. You can check the status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Ethereum from Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet in 2025. This method keeps your assets secure while giving you more flexibility. If you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.